All right, hey guys, everybody. Just want to make a quick video here about these Dodge Magnums and Chargers. This is a 2005, but I'm guessing it works for 2005 to 2010 Chrysler's 300 Magnums. I had a situation where my rear windows wasn't working. The driver side was actually, the motor was dead. I tested it, so I thought it was the same situation with the passenger side. So I changed the driver side, went to change the passenger side, still didn't work. I tested the motor, it works. The new and the old one works, so I just couldn't figure out why. I know it couldn't be the switches because I had a spare switch here. Okay, I had a spare switch for the master because neither this or the one at the door was working. So I know it couldn't be the switch. So had a little help online on the forum, but I just wanted to make this video for people, anybody else having this problem, so they don't have to go digging. Because I searched everyone online, really, on the forums. I really couldn't find. I mean, I guess people knew what it was, but it wasn't really anywhere on free web where you can actually see what, go and find what how to fix it. So I figured I'd just make this video, to help people out if you're having this situation where your rear windows is not working and you sure your motor is fine. I think this is a common thing that happens. For some reason, these wires here in this pinch well, where the wires come from the car to the door, so they get cut for some reason. I don't know why. It's just like clean cut. It's not even like something that happens over time that it's like somebody snip it, just cut it. But anyway, I took these things apart and found two wires that are completely cut. And this third one was kind of split. The shielding was cut and the wires were getting ready to get cut as well. So I buttoned them up and tested my window, and it's working again. So I make this quick thing so that people can know, so people don't have to go through what I went through, which is changing the motor, tearing the door panels down, and going through all that crazy stuff just to come find out is this little prick here. So, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and let me know if it fixed your problem. Thank you.